Hi, I'm Ingrid Jones from the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California, and I'm here to talk about how to make a candle mold out of a toilet paper roll. So we've been asked how to do this, and frankly, in terms of making a candle mold out of something like this, it's really going to be very tricky. I think you're better off actually buying a commercial mold, which will give you a very nicely finished candle, such as this one. Regardless of how you manage to create this, create this into a mold, you're going to end up probably with some sort of markings on the side. Now, if that's part of what you want, if you want the folds and things from the plastic that you're going to use to line it, then I would go ahead and give it a try because it's a cheap and easy way to make a mold. So really, I just cut a nice sturdy plastic bag. I didn't use cling wrap because it's so tricky to work with. I wanted a plastic bag because it didn't stick to itself. And I cut it open and I just lined the inside of the tube. I would take another piece and put it over the end, and I would tape the whole thing shut. It's going to be really hard to stop it from leaking through the edges, so you're really going to want to tape a lot of it, the plastic around the bottom. And once you've done that, you're just going to fill your mold up with your wax. I suggest wicking after you have formed your candle, which means driving a hot needle through the middle and then basically sewing your wick into the middle of it versus trying to wick it beforehand. And let it cool and pull it out and see what you get. Good luck. This is Ingrid Jones with the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California. Happy crafting!